Lead the way, Colin.
Wherever you want. Just don't be that low. I'm not riding. Wherever you want. You're not riding? No.
And then I guess I can always come back for the front row.
Unless Jason's eating. I don't know. Okay.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Alrighty guys, we just braved the gale of the storm. Now we're here on mild waves.
Here we go.
It's zany in some spots. It does like
Zany.
some trick
Some little
moments.
crazy little E&F Miler bit.
Yeah.
It was very wild.
Welcome back, Sammy. How was that ride?